Hi, this is Sandra, Remax Realtor, and you can also find me at sandraenns.com. Today I'm going to give you 3 tips on how to prepare your home office for showings and open houses. The first tip is to make sure that you hide or take with you all electronics and any kind of expensive items. And that includes everything from cell phones to games to laptops, even things like AirPods, any jewelry. Make sure that those are put away or have them with you. Tip number 2 is to make sure that you've taken a lot of the personalization away too. So that includes awards, photos, trophies, things like that. You don't want people to get distracted. You want them to imagine themselves working and living in your space. And tip number 3 is to make sure that things like fingerprints are gone. You want to make sure it's fresh and clean and free of clutter and free of fingerprints as well. This is Sandra, helping you find real estate that fits.